day to remember our national heroes and freedom fighters who suffered to give us a republic nation. A very good morning to all. Myself, Mrs. Krishna Priya, Vice Principal at Oakwood International School. A warm welcome to our Honorable Chairman, Board of Directors, respected Dean, beloved Principal, my dear colleagues and students. On 72nd Republic Day, we at Oakwood International School have planned a virtual celebration. To commence the program, I request our Honorable Chairman, Sri Lakshma Reddy Garu, to pay his respect by offering floral tribute to the Father of the Nation, followed by unfurling of the tricolor.
जनगणमनाधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे गागे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Now, our high school group of singers are going to sing a patriotic song, Ae Watan.
Hey,
patriotic. That was so melodious, children. Let us listen to a speech by our pre-primary student Ashwath Reddy. Let us see how and what he is going to speak upon the Republic Day.
Good morning to all. A happy Republic Day. I am a student of UKG. My name is Ashwath Reddy. Today I would like to speak a few words on THRDs. National Festival to all express my gratitude. To be thankful to all great leaders who did so on this happy occasion. They joined hands to make India a powerful nation. Thank you.
Never expected that pre-primary student also can speak so much. That was really nice, Ashwath Reddy. I'd like to congratulate all these children for having 100% attendance. Stay dedicated, stay focused towards your studies, be regular and be active enough in the classes so that teachers will feel really good to teach you and go ahead with the studies. Good children. Primary dance on national integration. Let's have some fun around. It was really nice to see you dancing around. Let us call our beautiful little hearts. They are going to do a fancy dress competition right now.
My name is Madhavi, I'm from Alapi, I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you. My name is Nattavar, I'm from Srinagar. My name is Nattavar, I'm from Srinagar. I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you. My name is Shubhrata, I'm from Kolkata. is Shubhrata. I'm from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like you. My name is Shamsher. I'm from Ajmer. My name is Shamsher. I'm from Ajmer. I speak Urdu, but I'm just like you. My name is Arundhati. I'm from Guwahati. My name is Arundhati. I'm from Guwahati. I speak Assamese, but I'm just like you. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Panjim. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Panjim. I speak Konkani, but I'm just like you. My name is Rani Mai. I'm from Chennai. My name is Rani Mai. I'm from Chennai. I speak Tamil, but I'm just like you. My name is Jasvinder. I'm from Chandigarh. My name is Jasvinder. I'm from Chandigarh. I speak Punjabi, but I'm just like you. My name is Madhuri. I'm from Ratnagiri. My name is Madhuri. I'm from Ratnagiri. I speak Marathi, but I'm just like you. My name is Jamshedji. I'm from Panchgani. My name is Jamshedji. I'm from Panchgani. I speak Parsi, but I'm just like you. My name is Bindia. I'm from India. My name is Bindia. I'm from India. I speak Hindi, and I'm just like you. And I'm just like you. And I'm just like you.
Pretty, cute, and so loving to see them in such a colorful costume. I'd like to congratulate all these children for having 100% attendance. Stay dedicated, stay focused towards your studies, be regular and be active enough in the classes so that teachers will feel really good to teach you and go ahead with the studies. Good children. Let us listen to the speech from primary student Aryan Bharadwaj from grade 5. Let's see what he wants to speak upon Republic Day.
Good morning everyone, respected chairman sir, principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Aryan and I am going to say a few words about our Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was born in Odisha in 1897. He was very brilliant in his studies. He resigned his civil service job to fight for India's freedom. He has been a leader of Indian National Congress in late 1920s and 1930s, rising to become Congress president in 1938 and 39. He was imprisoned 11 times in various jails due to his stand for complete independence. He believed that the Bhagavad Gita was the great source of inspiration for him. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.
That was really nice, Aryan. Good to know that you have accumulated so much of information. Our 4th and 5th graders have performed really beautiful on congratulate all these children for having 100% attendance. Stay dedicated, stay focused towards your studies, be regular and be active enough in the classes so that teachers will feel really good to teach you and go ahead with the studies. Good children. As a nation, our official language is Hindi. a Hindi speech by one of our high school students.
महज किरदार ही क्यों, खुद में एक कहानी बनो। हिंदू मुस्लिम तो ठीक है, पर पहले एक हिंदुस्तानी बनो। शुभ प्रभात। आज मैं काव्य शर्मा 10वीं कक्षा की विद्यार्थी आप सभी को गणतंत्र दिवस के विषय में कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ। सबसे पहले मैं आप सभी को गणतंत्र दिवस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं देना चाहती हूँ। आज के इस विशेष अवसर पर हम सभी भारत के 72वें गणतंत्र दिवस मनाने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। आज का दिन उन देशभक्तों के त्याग, तपस्या, शौर्य और बलिदान की अमर कहानियों को याद करने का दिन है, जिनके कारण हम गणतंत्र स्थापित कर सके हैं। शताब्दियों की परतंत्रता के उपरांत हमने 15 अगस्त 1947 को आज़ादी पाई। देश के स्वतंत्र होने के 2.5 वर्ष पश्चात 26 जनवरी 1950 को देश के कर्णधारों ने भारत के नवीन संविधान को लागू किया। तभी से भारत का सर्वोच्च शासक राष्ट्रपति कहलाता है और 26 जनवरी 1950 से ही आज के दिन को हम सभी गणतंत्र दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। 26 जनवरी की तिथि का स्वतंत्रता संग्राम के इतिहास में अपना महत्व है। सन 1930 को रावी नदी के तट पर कांग्रेस के लाहौर अधिवेशन में स्वर्गीय श्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने पूर्ण स्वतंत्रता की घोषणा की। 26 जनवरी 1930 को उन्होंने प्रतिज्ञा की कि जब तक हम पूर्ण स्वतंत्रता प्राप्त न कर लेंगे तब तक हमारा स्वतंत्रता संग्राम आंदोलन चलता रहेगा और इसे प्राप्त करने के लिए हम अपने प्राण की आहुति दे देंगे। इसी कारण 26 जनवरी का दिन ही भारत के गणतंत्र की घोषणा के लिए चुना गया। इसी दिन हम पूर्ण रूप से स्वाधीन हो गए। उस दिन लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन गवर्नर जनरल के स्थान पर डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद हमारे राष्ट्र के प्रथम राष्ट्रपति बने। आज भी यह पर्व बड़ी धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है। भारत में स्वराज के लिए हमारे महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने अपने पूरे जीवन भर संघर्ष किया। उन्होंने अपने प्राणों का बलिदान भी दिया ताकि उनकी आने वाली पीढ़ी अर्थात हमें कोई संघर्ष न करना पड़े और हम देश को आगे लेकर जा सकें। किंतु हम सभी कहाँ आकर खड़े हो गए हैं। यह बहुत ही शर्म की बात है कि इतने 70 वर्ष के बाद भी हम अपराध, भ्रष्टाचार और हिंसा जैसी समस्याओं से जूझ रहे हैं। यह सभी को भलीभांति मालूम है। आज हमें फिर से एक बार साथ मिलकर अपने देश को इन बुराइयों को बाहर निकाल फेंकना है, जैसे कि भारतीय सेनानियों ने अंग्रेज़ों को भारत से निकाल फेंका था। हमें भारत देश को फिर से महात्मा गांधी, भगत सिंह, चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद, लाला लाजपत राय, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री, इन स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों के सपनों का भारत बनाना होगा। इतनी सी बात, हवाओं को बनाए रखना, रोशनी होगी, चिरागों को जलाए रखना, लाहू देकर की है हिफाजत हमने, ऐसे तिरंगे को हमेशा अपने दिल में बसाए रखना। जय हिंद, जय भारत। धन्यवाद।
Well, that was so informative, up to the level and to the mark. I'd like to congratulate all these children for having 100% attendance. Stay dedicated, stay focused towards your studies, be regular and be active enough in the classes so that teachers will feel really good to teach you and go ahead with the studies. Good children. Let us have some more fun from the high school students. They are going to have a very mesmerizing dance performance. was an awesome, dazzling, great performance by everyone. Now I would like to call upon our great power, the one person who always encourages us, who always appreciates us, the person who is the strong pillar of this Oakwood International School. Yes, our chairman, Sir Lakshman Reddy, sir, please honor the Eid with your speech.
Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, dear teachers, parents, beloved students. Happy 72 Republic Day wishes to everyone. Welcome to Virtual Republic Day celebrations of Oakwood International School. Dear parents and students, this is very different academic year 2021 comparatively previous academic years. Due to Corona or COVID, but we are lot of changes are came in education system. For example, online classes, digitalized system. Most of the students, almost all the students, KG to PG students, all they are depend on only on online classes. So after got independence, the India was developed many areas. For example, we'll take literacy. At the time of independence, only we are in 20% is there, but now almost 80% above is there. Like science and technology, heritage and culture, IT and internet, Google facility, international relations, agriculture and agricultural based industries, industrial revolution, international relations, different kind of transport system was developed. Comparatively many countries, we are very far better in development. Still, we have lot of sources are there to develop the nation. So kindly think, dear students and parents, where we are fit, how to serve the society, how to construct the nation, how to build the nation to better, how to make better India to best India. All your think, you have to involve, all we together build a good nation. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. As always, your speech always gives us some kind of information and always make us feel happy about your presence. Thank you once again. Now I would like to invite with a Swachh Namaskar our Vice Chairman, Sir Gopal Reddy, sir. Sir, it's really honored to listen from you because you always give us some enlightening way to go ahead in a disciplined way. So please honor the Eid with your speech on the day of Republic.
All my dear children, Oakwood International parents, facilitator, principal madam, all the Oakwood family. Wish you happy 72 Republic Day celebrations. Really very happy to see all the people here after the COVID. Really thanks God, we are after COVID, we are here. Really what I am observing the children, what they are attended for the competitions, wonderful way, their cooperation, even though parent cooperation is so wonderful. Thank you so much for the Oakwood International family. Because of see even COVID time also, online class also they are cooperating 100%. Even though you know today children is very innovative, high capacity children. If you give some work for them, then only they will come to one they divert to the one corner, so that we are conducting the online classes successfully. All the parents, please take care of your children. This is a COVID time. What I am observing now, this is the first time in Indian history, world history. You can take care of your children. You can observe your children in the reading way, writing way, what are the other corners. This is opportunity to parent. Please, just parents, please observe your kids, how they are writing, how they are reading, what they are completed their works. Please observe that. Please cooperate with my children. Let them become a wonderful citizen of the India. Thank you so much. Green India, clean India, better India.
Thank you, Gopal Reddy sir. It was really nice to listen from you. Your words remain with us for a longer period of time. Thank you once again. Now I would like to invite our principal ma'am, the lady who always wants to stay in a systematized and channelized way so that the word goes with ease. I would like to invite our principal ma'am to speak few words on the day of Republic Day.
Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country. A very cheerful morning to our Honorable Chairman, Board of Directors, hardworking teachers and energetic students. 26th January 1950. It is on this day the world's largest written democratic constitution of world was adopted. It took 2 years, 11 months to form the Constitution of India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, known as the father of Indian Constitution, was the chairman of the drafting committee and had played a leading role in framing the Constitution. Thought-provoking and provocative, his life is highly instructive to everyone who yearns for human dignity and equality in human relation in society. These words of one of his biographers describe the essence of what he stood for and what he achieved. The present freedom that we are all enjoying is the result of sacrifices of thousands of freedom fighters. So, let us contribute towards the betterment of society in gratitude by planting trees, saving water, saving electricity, feeding the animals, helping the needy, and supporting each other. Today, a small yet powerful virus has taken away our freedom. We are all confined to our homes, but we have not stopped learning and celebrating. Following the social distancing norms, we have continued our Republic Day celebrations virtually. I request you all to continue following the guidelines of government regarding COVID-19 precautions. Maintain social distancing, always wear a mask, wash your hands and maintain personal hygiene. Exercise regularly, consume nutritious food to build your immunity. I am sure we will all get back to normalcy very soon. Stay healthy, stay safe. I wish you all a happy 72nd Republic Day. Looking forward to seeing you all at school very soon. Thank you, students. Have a great day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, ma'am. It was really informative to get, and we got so much of information about Republic Day from you. It was a wonderful eve. Isn't it, children? Though it is online, we have been struggling hard to make the day more special, eminent, and go frivolous. So, inviting and dances, speeches, and of course, without you people, nothing would have been possible. Let me invite our Vice Principal, Priya Ma'am, who is such charming and always makes us feel happy with her presence. Priya Ma'am, please give your vote of thanks so that we can conclude the eve.
Hope you all enjoyed the program today. So, hope you are doing well. So, I'm here today feeling so proud and privileged to propose vote of thanks. So, I thank to our chairman, Sri Lakshmana Reddy Garu, for his solid support. Thank you, sir. Now, I extend my heartfelt thanks to our principal ma'am for her continuous planning and guidance. Next will be my team. So, my heartfelt thanks to all my dear team members who has given the best output for the success of this program. And next, I thank to all my dear students and parents who has given their wonderful performance with a short time. Really, I want to appreciate each and every student who performed and the parent who has supported to this. Thank you, parents and students. Now, I want to extend my heartfelt thanks to our admin staff and IT technical person. Next, my special thanks to our supporting staff. Thank you one and all.
The eve ends up with our national anthem. So let us stand together and pay the respect towards the flag and start our national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे गागे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगल